Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 6 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Sound Recorder app and click on it. Then select Allow in the pop-ups. I already did that, so I can click on this red button right away to start my recording. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, you can do that by choosing the same button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the stack icon. And if you wish to delete it right away, you need to pause it, choose Delete at the bottom left corner and confirm your choice in this pop-up. In order to save it though, you need to tap it again. But this time select Done at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my recording is over here. In order to play it, click on it. If you wish to rename it, you need to click on this pen icon over here, type in wherever you wish to and choose Save. In order to delete it though, click on this bin icon and choose OK in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!